I'm Queen V, and in today's video, I'll be doing a mango chiffon cake for Christmas Eve. So I'll be showing you step by step how to make the chiffon cake. Come, I'll show it to you. First, let us prepare our pans. I'm using 3 9-inch round pans here, or you may also use 1 tube pan having a size of 10 by 3 or 10 by 4 inches in diameter. While doing this, I am already preheating my oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. I am lining my pan with baking sheet. In making a chiffon cake, we need to make 2 mixtures. The first one is the egg yolk mixture and the second one is the egg white mixture. I spray my pans using canola oil, or you may brush it with oil or butter if you don't have a spray oil. This is to prevent the cake from sticking to the pans while baking. Now let's begin with our egg yolk mixture. Put 1.5 cups of flour in the bowl. This is the right way of measuring the flour. Add 1 tablespoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1/2 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla, then add egg yolks of 7 medium-sized eggs. Lastly, add 3/4 cups of mango juice since we are making a mango chiffon cake. You may replace this with water if you are making a plain chiffon cake, or you may use pineapple or strawberry juice depending on the flavor that you want. Then, using my stand mixer, mix everything for 1 minute. Or you may use hand mixer if you don't have a stand mixer, but make the mixing time a little bit longer. Then, set aside. When I am making a chiffon cake, I normally use a big bowl where I can mix the 2 mixtures easily. And now, let's do the second mixture, which is the egg white mixture. Add all egg whites of 7 eggs, or measuring 1 1/4 cups, and add 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Then beat in high speed until you see bubbles. Then gradually add 1 cup of sugar and continue mixing until the mixture becomes foamy. Here you can see that the mixture is becoming stiff already. This is how to test if your egg white mixture is nicely done. Combine the egg yolk mixture and egg white mixture like what I am doing here. This is how you are going to mix it. Do 10 top to bottom strokes like what I'm doing here. After that, you need to make 2 to 3 side strokes. And then after that, you need to make 5 top to bottom strokes again. And then that's it. You don't have to overdo it. Then put it evenly on the baking pans, like what I'm doing here. I am using this Wilton Baked Even strips. This is the first time that I am doing this. The intent of these strips is for the cake not to create a dome shape while baking. Then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Then bake it for 18 to 20 minutes. Let it cool for a while. Then remove the cake from the pan. Here I'm using a spatula to remove it. As it is, you can actually eat that already. So it's like a mamon. So if you don't want to put icing, then that's okay. But for today, we will make a cake with icing. Let's combine butter, then 3/4 cups of sugar, and 1 pack of creamer. Add 1/2 mango fruit and mix all together. Then you can start spreading the icing onto your cake. It's up to you how you would like to design your chiffon cake. You may opt to make a naked cake wherein icings are barely on the cake. Quickly, this is how I decorate my mango chiffon cake. So this is my mango chiffon cake. That's what I have for you for today. I just hope that you learned some tips on how to bake your own chiffon cake at home. Till again, this is Queen B saying be amazing in your 50s. Thanks for watching. Bye!